Kelly Gallagher mod for comparing the egg drop device and the egg catch device. So comparing these two devices, I'm going to bring back an example of both of them. So here is the box with the bags in it. And then over here we have the parachute that was created with only the 5 pieces of paper and the tape, because I'm going to use that one because the second one we made was least successful. Comparing these two, the egg drop device was definitely harder to create because we only had a certain amount of time and a certain amount of supplies that we were allowed to use. So that's what made it more difficult. But if we had the most amount of time as we wanted and we could use any supplies, I believe that this one would be easier. But in this situation, the egg drop device was more difficult. So if we had to drop the egg, in what form, if it was just the egg or if it was in the device, from 30 meters, I believe that the egg drop device would be much more successful because it did not have size restraints, because this had to be no greater than 1 by 1 by 1. But this, you can make it as big as you wanted within the 5 pieces of paper and the tape. So I think that if I dropped this device from 30 meters, it would have much more success of not cracking the egg than this one. The action-reaction pair that tried to break the egg in the activity was that the action was the egg falling and impacting with the ground, and the reaction was the ground reacting on the egg, which caused the egg to crack unless it was saved by cushion or by the time made by the egg drop device. So with that conclusion, this is my So with that conclusion, that is my biggest observation of which would be more successful if you were to drop it from higher strengths because of the size and the ability it took.